2019 Brockville Rotary Golf Classic was held on Friday, June 14th at the Brockville Country Club. The sold-out event featured a round of 18 holes of golf, lunch, and a great dinner, a complimentary wine and cheese reception, scotch bar, live entertainment, and a live and silent auction. The funds raised from the annual event go to the many local and international initiatives. Some of the local initiatives include Student Merit Awards, Brockville Area Food Bank, Adventures in Citizenship, Easter Seals Camp Marywood, Loaves and Fishes, Making Play Possible, and Rotary Park, just to name a few. Internationally, funds raised include eliminating polio and the Shelter Box program. The Rotary Golf Classic is one of Brockville Rotary's largest fundraisers of the year. Brockville Rotary has two clubs, the Rotary Club of Brockville and the Rotary Club of the Thousand Islands. For more information on Brockville Rotary, please visit our website at rotarybrockville.ca. For Hometown TV 12, Dale Elliott in Brockville.